here, and it's time. It's time, people, for another safe and sane demo for you. And tonight we got, if you can look underneath, the little Windmill Miracle Fireworks. And this is called Magical Windmill. Now, we picked this up, all our fireworks, 99% of them, 1% Walmart, from Santan Fireworks, santanfireworks.com. Over 50 locations throughout the state of Arizona. The best quality, the best prices, and the biggest selection anywhere. Safe and sane, baby. And I'll tell you what, here's our little windmill. So you come over here, you could see the performance. I'm going to zoom in here. It says Magical Windmill with spinning fan in the front. Cool. Spinning, or should I say spring, with red and green crackling. Spinning fan with red and green flame. Visual delight. Now look what it says here. Noise loud. So I'm going to go in the back. We're going to come over. So here's more of the windows. And what's cool here, you can see the wheel. Right? So this is going to be kind of neat. So we're going to head out when it gets dark. Out, you know where we're going down the street, pin! They're roaring now! Alright, you can see we made it to the launch pad. So we're gonna zoom in here. We got miracle fireworks. We got magical. Yes, I said magical. Here we go. Windmill. All right, let's check it out. All right, let's see if the windmill spins. Whoa. Of course. All right, now. All right, here it goes, here it goes. Whoa. Whoa. Well, you know what? The windmill was magical. BBQ.